welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do today is a Dollar Tree farmhouse birdcage using Dollar Tree products. I'm so excited to show you this. It's really easy to do and I think it's going to give us a wonderful look. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this Dollar Tree farmhouse birdcage. It would even go French country, okay? You're going to need 5 of these Dollar Tree cooling racks, okay? You just need 5 of these. And then you're going to need 2 pizza pans. I hauled these not long ago. Then you're going to need some floral wire from the Dollar Tree. You only need 1 of these. It has 50 feet on it, and I did not use anywhere near 50 feet. You're going to need some of these Dollar Tree little clips to help hold things for you, or you could use like clothespins, anything like that, all right? And then I chose the Rust-Oleum spray paint in Gloss Ivory. I've used this many times and I love it. I think it will give us a very nice look. Then you'll need I hauled this the other day. It's just a napkin holder and I spray painted it with that Gloss Ivory spray paint. Okay, then to embellish it and decorate our birdhouse, I think I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree garland. I hauled that the other day, and then maybe some candles that I already have. So the options are totally endless. So let me go ahead and flip the camera down and we'll get started on this beautiful Dollar Tree farmhouse birdcage. Okay, what I did is I went ahead and spray painted my pizza pans. This one is spray painted top and bottom, and this one is just spray painted on the top because this is going to be the bottom of my birdcage. Okay, before we start assembling it, let me show you how you do this. It is so easy. Okay, so what you want to do, I wanted to make a door into the bird cage, okay? And naturally this is not for any live animals. This is totally for decor. But now I noticed that's why this piece is basically waste. I have 2 pieces that I wasted. I found out the hard way. Okay, this area and this area are the same size, and this area and the bottom area are the same size. So I wanted my entryway into my bird cage right here next to the top. It's right here, okay? So you have to cut your door out of the one underneath it. The first time I cut it down here and it won't fit. So if you want your entryway into your bird cage in here or here, then the door has to come from either here or here because these 2 center sections are the same size, okay? So to cut your entryway, I just took these climb pliers. It's very easy to do. I'll snip one just to show you. And I snipped 1, 2, 3 at the top and at the bottom. And that gives you your doorway, whatever size you want. That's how big I wanted mine. Then to make the door so that it will slide, I went ahead and got this one because it was underneath where this one was on the other one. And I snipped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, okay? And because you're going to take these last 2 and bend them around, and I'll show you in a minute. It's not hard, okay? And when you get to these outer 2s, what you want to do is snip in the middle and then break it off so you get a smoother area right here. You could sand it down if you wanted. So let me show you how easy it is to snip. I mean, it's super simple. You can see, and it's snipped like that, okay? But try to get up close. I wasn't trying. Let me do this. Okay, see how easy that is? I just snipped that right off. Okay, then that will leave you this. So like I said, those extra ones, you're going to have 4 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these 2 right here are just used to hook around and the door will actually slide up and down. and I painted this with my spray paint. I hope I'm not making this sound hard because it really isn't, okay? Then what you want to do, I also use this to get my shape. I started to put it right here. Let me bend this down a little more. I started to put the bird cage right here, but that won't work. The shape doesn't work out for me. So I just started bending mine around this outside of this pizza pan, and that's all you have to do is just start bending them, and you can see they will bend, okay? Naturally, I've made this one too small now, but that's how you bend them. Then we're going to attach it with this wire. I spray painted it. I just hung it up outside, stretched it between the fence and like a ladder or something like that, and then you just spray paint it, okay? And that's how we're actually going to attach it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to glue the bottom. These are the sides that I have spray painted, and I spray painted the inside and the outside. So you'll have 4 of these to actually make the sides of your bird cage, okay? And you want to put these little points on the inside. So that's what your bird cage looks like on the outside. Okay, and we're just going to start putting this up here. And you're going to find that there's going to be a small little gap that you're going to have, but that's all right. And I'm just going to sort of stand these right here. And you just kind of have to play with it for a while. I'm going to take my wire, like I said, I spray painted it. And then I'm just going to take it and just connect these sides with it. There'll be a little gap, like I said, it's not going to be completely flush, but that is all right. We're just going to start wiring it down through here. And then we're going to cut this off. And then just bend it in there. We're going to go all the way around the top before we attach the bottom, because like I said, there's going to be, and you could go ahead and use these clips, like I said. And they will kind of hold things together for you. Okay? Because they have to meet, so you have to give yourself a little bit of room. And you want it to be flush around the bird cage, okay? So that's where these clips really come in handy, because they'll hold it for you. Then by keeping it like this, you can take the top off of it to put your decor in it, okay? Now all you have to do is just continue to go around here and wire this up. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead, and you don't have to put a lot. You could just put like in one area like this. It gives it a cleaner look, I think, than the way I did it the first time. It's not as noticeable to do it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and wire this up, and when I get finished, I'll be back. What I thought I would do is go ahead and actually cut the door while you're watching. Okay, so this is going to be my front. So, like I said, I want my door here. I have to cut out 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, okay? So right here, I'm going to go up really close. 1. I gotta get closer than that though. I turn my pliers over. Gives you a much cleaner cut. Okay, then I'm going to come down here. Okay, now there is the opening to our bird cage right here, okay? Now when you go to attach your door, you want to put it, like here's our entryway to the bird cage. You want to put it above that, like that, so that it will slide. Then all we're going to do is just bend these back in. It's just a little stiff, but you can do it. And then, see, our bird door to our bird cage will slide. I need to bend this one in a little more. And this one. Then just like that, it will slide up and down, okay? Now, let's go ahead and fix the top. Now, you have a couple options. You can have your top like this, and that would be a cute little garbage can, to be honest. I mean, there's 2 DIYs for you. This could be a garbage can, okay? But I want to put mine like this. I think it looks so cute like that. So what I'm going to do, I would suggest that you use E6000, but I'm just going to use hot glue. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue mine on here. Okay. Stick this right on here and make sure I have it all around. I think that looks really cute. Okay, I decided that I want to take this and make a real cute little top for my birdhouse. I just think that will give it such flair, okay? So I want to move this up so I can see where my door is because I want it in the center. I mean, you could put it a lot of different ways, but I want mine like that. So I'm just going to put some glue right here. Like I said, you could use the E6000 so it will hold, but I may tear mine down later. And just put this right on there like that. And it is so cute. And here's our little birdhouse from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and if you don't put that, it's a trash can. Okay, so let's see what we might want to do with this garland. Okay, I hope you'll be able to see. I've taken the bottom off. I've got my arm through the bird cage door, and I'm just going to start putting this greenery in here. This is totally optional. You wouldn't have to do this if you didn't want to. I just think it would be really cute. Okay, and at this point, if you wanted, you could set a little bird right on this if you wanted, or whatever you wanted to do. Okay guys, here it is. I went ahead and added 3 of my Luminara candles I've had for so long. I got them on clearance at Joann's for practically nothing 2 falls ago. And then I just had some little birds and I put that in there, and I think it is so sweet, but it's really heavy from those candles. So what I'm going to do is take the camera down and let you see it up. But you would never know that this was made from cooling racks and pizza pans and a napkin holder from the Dollar Tree. It is so cute. You could customize this so much. You could put Dollar Tree birds in there. I just didn't have any. I had these left over from a long time ago, so I used that. You can put as much of that greenery in as you want. I ended up putting my arm through the door to help me as well. But I love it. It's so cute. You could even put something up here and have it trailing down. The possibilities are endless. And like I said, this is really kind of like 2 DIYs in one. Without this on it, it becomes a trash can. So you really can decorate your home very economically and easy with items from the Dollar Tree in your farmhouse country style that you love. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss an upload. So let me go ahead, flip the camera around, and we'll take a look at this really cute bird cage. Okay guys, I thought I would show you where I put it in my living room. I just have it sitting on this little stand, and I think it is so pretty. I love how that turned out, and you could put anything in it to add to your decor. But it's really simple and really easy to give you that farmhouse birdcage look. So let me see where Maggie is. A lot of you have been wanting to see her. Come here, Maggie. Come to Mama. Come here. Come to Mama. Hello. Hello, baby girl. Do you have your new little harness on? Oh, hello, hello. Maggie says hello, everyone. Say hello. Say hi. Say I love you all, and I can't wait to do my video soon showing all I'm doing now. Say I'm a good girl. Okay, so like we always said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.